In this video, I'm going to show you how to redirect a domain using NameCheap. And you might be asking yourself, why should I care about any of this? Well, stick around till the end, because at the end of the video, pay close attention, because the applications of this process, even though it's a super easy and quick process, can actually make you money, because you can make referral links, you can do affiliate marketing, and you can make money in all kinds of different ways, starting with this one simple skill that couldn't be easier. So we're starting at NameCheap.com, and if you don't already have an account, go make an account at NameCheap.com. I'm starting here because, as the name suggests, these domains are cheap, okay? And you might already have a domain name, and if you don't, here is a good place to start. Now, it really doesn't matter where you bought your domain name. The process is just slightly different, whether it's Bluehost or GoDaddy. This tutorial is specific to NameCheap.com, but all of the hosting websites allow you to do this. They allow you to buy a domain name, something.com, that's the domain name, and then redirect it to a different existing website. So that's all we're doing here. It's very, very simple. Now, why do people want to do this? Well, a lot of domains out there are complicated, or maybe you have an affiliate link and it's got a long string of numbers and letters, and you don't want to say, hey, use my affiliate link at facebook.com/R123ABC, blah, blah, blah. We're simplifying the domain names right here. Okay, it could not be easier. When you're on NameCheap.com, this is step one. You make an account, and guys, I like to go for the .com domains, all right? Look at the .com domains. Today, you can get them for only $6. That is beyond cheap, all right? And NameCheap makes it super easy to redirect these domains. People get all wrapped up with the fancy TLDs. And what is a TLD, guys? Pay attention. This is really simple. A top-level domain, otherwise known as a TLD, is the .com, the .net, the .org, .xyz, .ai, .io. Whatever's after the dot in the domain is called the TLD. Now, people like to get all fancy, especially newer, tech startups and everything. They like to have all kinds of weird domain names. Just keep it simple. All right, keep it simple. I really strongly recommend this, because when it comes to affiliate marketing or just redirecting anything, people are 10 times more likely to remember a .com than even a .net or a .org. Okay, people will automatically in their head go to a .com. I don't care that it's trendy to do .ai or .io or all these other crazy TLDs. Just stick with a .com and you'll be good to go for 90% of all marketing purposes when it comes to making money. Okay, so this is a simple skill. We're just going to search for a domain name that we want. Let's try, PulseChain People. PulseChainPeople.com. Let's see if we can get this domain name. PulseChainPeople.com is available for only $10.28 a year. So you just add this to your cart. Remember, you already made an account, so you click the account button up here, make your account, connect your credit card, and just buy the domain outright. That should be pretty simple, okay, assuming you haven't already done this yet. Now, a couple of tips for choosing a domain. I already told you .com is really the preferred way to go. People just remember it, okay? Now, some tips that also help are, don't put any hyphens in your domain name. That is not ideal. If I did PulseChain-people, you think anyone's going to remember the dash? No, everyone's going to forget about the dash, the hyphen. And then you have to say every time it's PulseChain-people.com. And then some guys are out there are going to try to write the word dash, D-A-S-H. It's just confusing, all right? And also, PulseChain People. You notice how I took two words that begin with a P? So that's called an alliteration. Alliterations are great for marketing. They're great for memory. People remember words that begin with the same letter. Crypto coffee. PulseChain People. Okay, it rolls off the tongue a little bit nicer. Also, try to make it somewhat short. This one is 4 syllables right here, PulseChain People. But, if you can get 3 or even 2 syllables, it's easy to say and it's really easy to market. Okay, so for affiliate marketing, you can make a lot more money if people remember the name. It's all about memory here. It's all about memory. If you want to get the word out about something, whether you've got a small business or you've got a cryptocurrency that you want to promote, make it short. Lose the complicated hyphens or weird spelling. Don't do any weird spelling, okay? Don't say PulseChain PPL, and don't abbreviate the word people, right? Because if you abbreviate the word people and you're telling everybody, go to PulseChainPeople.com, how are they supposed to know that it's PulseChain PPL? No abbreviations, no hyphens, choose a .com, alliterations help, short syllables, not that many syllables. Just try to do common sense stuff, okay? Think about if you're the other person that you're telling your domain to. Is it memorable? Choosing your domain is very important, but on NameCheap.com, you can get some pretty good domains for pretty cheap, all right? If I add this to my cart, $10 is pretty cheap, assuming that we make, assuming that we make more than $10 a year on whatever we're trying to do affiliate referral links for. And guys, affiliate marketing, referral links, I'm talking about the same thing. Now, it's going to offer you all these add-ons. You don't need any of these add-ons when it comes to redirecting a domain. So this is really important too. Don't get upcharged. Don't get scammed by all these upcharges, okay? These upsells. You don't need web hosting. You don't need WordPress or all this crap. You don't even need SSL. You really don't. Now, you can buy all this stuff. SSL is okay to buy if you're actually hosting a real website, and it would be different. But this tutorial is about redirecting a domain only, and specifically for the purposes of potentially making you money or getting awareness out about your brand or your product, whatever it might be. Skip all this stuff, okay? Just skip all that stuff. Go to your cart at the bottom here and just check out. All right, check this out. You're going to get domain privacy automatically. This is good. Don't worry about the upsells. Don't worry about all this stuff. People get so good at overcomplicating everything. They think they got to get all the bells and whistles. No, we're just redirecting a domain here, guys. It's really simple. Confirm the order. It's going to ask you for your credit card information. And, you've bought things on the internet before. You know how to do this just fine, okay? Now, once you've bought that domain, go to your account in the upper right-hand corner. Look where my mouse is right here. Click on Dashboard, okay? Or you can click on Domain List and just view your domain right there. So here you can see a couple of domains that I own. You'll notice, let's take these two up here. I've got flexpulsex.com, and I also bought pulsexflex.com. Why? Because it rhymes. That's another helpful tip for choosing a domain. Okay, if it rhymes, that's great. PulsexFlex, hard to forget that one, right? FlexPulsex. I said, why not get both? All right, they were both available. Cost me like $20. And so you go here really quickly. You go to your domain. You click Manage. All right, click Manage. It's going to bring up all of this information about your domain. We don't care about anything except for the redirect. Okay, look over here where it says redirect domain. So the source URL is the domain that you just bought, flexpulsex.com. That's what we're going to do in this example. The destination URL is http://www.pulsex.com. It's the same website. It's not redirecting anywhere yet. All we're doing to make a redirect is we're going to change this website to something else. So what do I want to change it to? Well, I like this cryptocurrency called HEX. And HEX cryptocurrency has a bunch of different links to staking websites to go stake it. But some of these links are a little bit complicated, right? They're stored on IPFS. IPFS is like decentralized internet, and it has these long, crazy, URLs that are really hard to say. Look at this giant long string of numbers and letters, okay? No one's going to ever remember all these numbers and letters. So if I click one of these links, I can actually copy and paste this to my notepad. This is what the IPFS link looks like for HEX, for HEX staking. I can just copy and paste that over here on the domains. I'll paste it right there and I'll press the check mark. Now I can make my own as well, okay? I can make my own. So here's a tiny little lesson on IPFS. You can make your own IPFS website by just doing https://ipfs.io, and then you put your transaction hash after it. So I'll copy this part, okay? Let's make a new link right here. Let's paste that right there. So we've got https://ipfs.io, and we're going to add a /IPFS, right? All IPFS links can start with this if you want to access them from HTTPS. And then we're going to go / we're going to go back to this website, and this is for hex.com, by the way. So I'm just making another general redirect towards this hash on IPFS. So we copy this part that begins with the Q here, double click it, copy it, go back to our sticky note, and we will paste that right after the final slash here. So it's ipfs.io/IPFS/QMC blah, blah, blah. All right, now this is a link that redirects to the hex.com staking website. Look, if I post this up in the URL above, look right here. Look where I'm going to. Crazy long link, right? But if I go there, boom, it just pulls up the same old HEX staking website. It's a decentralized internet, but it's too complicated to say for a lot of people, right? A lot of people don't like that. So what we can just do is take the URL that's easy to remember, flexpulsex.com, and we could just go copy that and paste that in here, press the check mark over here to save changes, and you're good to go. Now, whenever I type in flexpulsex.com into my URL bar on any browser, flexpulsex.com, flexpulsex.com, we'll type that in, and it's going to load for a little bit. And there you go. It just redirected you to that IPFS website with the long string of complicated letters and numbers, but it's much more easier to tell people, hey, if you want to stake your HEX, go to flexpulsex.com. And there you go. It's redirecting you to the IPFS website. Just so you know, guys, IPFS websites, they can start with this part right here, remember, and they can end with the hash. And the hash for go.hex.com for the HEX staking, the hash is over here. It's this part that begins with QC. So that's a tutorial about how to make an alternative redirect for stakinghex.com, but how do we potentially redirect to websites where we make money? So if you want to promote the HEX cryptocurrency, it's actually awesome. It's a win-win situation. The more people that know about it and the more links and redirects that there are to get to the HEX staking website, first of all, it makes it more decentralized. Second of all, it's better for adoption and onboarding. It allows new people to come in. If you want to tell somebody a link and say, hey, if you want to stake HEX, go to, flexpulsex.com or go to, coolkittens.ai. I don't know, whatever you want to do. But, this will work for everything. So this will work for apps like 0x Coast. Remember that I have gainpulsechain.com? Right now, if you go to gainpulsechain.com, that's actually my redirect. That's my invite link to bring you to the stablecoin portal for PulseChain. So if you want to mint stablecoins on PulseChain and get 5,000 free weight tokens just for signing up after you make your first transaction, of course, you can get 5,000 free tokens from my invite link, gainpulsechain.com. And that's so much easier to say than 0xcoast.com/ref equals XYZ12345. Okay, nobody wants to remember that. So you can just simply go to gainpulsechain.com, mint stablecoins on PulseChain, assuming that you're trying to promote this particular platform, and it can be a win-win. You get 5,000 free weight tokens, they get 5,000 free weight tokens, and you onboard somebody into Pulse. Okay, so I just taught you a method to actually make money doing affiliate marketing. That's all affiliate marketing is. All affiliate marketing is making a referral link and then shilling that referral link in whatever way you want. Maybe you run a website, maybe you have a blog, maybe you have a YouTube channel, maybe you are running ads on Google or something. You can really simplify, a complicated referral code by just copying and pasting your referral link in this destination URL right here. You can choose to buy a more memorable domain name, a .com preferably, that rolls off the tongue a little better. What's another way to make money? Well, there's all kinds of affiliate programs out there, guys. I've even got my own affiliate program. This is hexpassiveincome.com. This affiliate program is for a course about cryptocurrency. If you're brand new to cryptocurrency, this course is for you. But if you're a professional at crypto already and you want to be an affiliate marketer for it, you can go to hexpassiveincome.com. You can click on affiliates right over here. See in the top right corner here. You can click on that and you can make your own affiliate links. If you don't already have an account, you click down here. Look where my mouse is to sign up. Okay, so you can sign up here and you can sign up here and make your own affiliate links and type in your PayPal email so that you get paid out by PayPal, every month. Now, once I've got my login information on this affiliate portal, and there's all kinds of websites that have affiliate marketing, guys. My course is not the only one. There's so many ways to make money with affiliate marketing. It's crazy. We log in right here, and here's my affiliate portal. Look, I've got 2 clicks and a 50% conversion rate. Yay, that's great. But look at the affiliate links right here, guys. Look at the affiliate links. So this particular course will give you a 40% affiliate payout. Currently, that means you get over $100 if you make a sale. And 40% is a pretty generous affiliate program, okay? But look at this link down here. It's hexpassiveincome.com/a/21474844411. Okay, nobody's going to remember that. Yes, you can copy and paste this on the internet. You can copy it here, and you can paste it all around Twitter or whatever you want. But you can simplify this link so that when you're talking to people in real life, guys, you can simplify it and go like, okay, I'm going to go back to flexpulsex.com. Actually, you know what? I'm going to use the other one for this affiliate link. I'm going to use pulsexflex.com. We're going to go manage. Remember, we manage the domain. We go down here to the redirect and pulsexflex.com. We're going to change that. We're just going to click in here and paste over using my affiliate link, hexpassiveincome.com/2147 blah, 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 and press the check mark to save your changes. Press the check mark. Okay. And you are good to go. So now every time I go to PulseXFlex, okay, I can just copy and paste this over here, go in a new tab, paste this right here. It takes effect almost instantly. It really could not be more simple. There you go. It takes you right to the checkout page. And there's 2 different affiliate links on this course as well. So this link will go to the checkout page, and this link will just go to the home page, right? If I copy and paste this link, I paste it up here in a new bar, this will just go right to the home page, but you get paid if another user that you send to the course, buys the course. And there's all kinds of referral programs, not only in crypto, but across the globe. Here's one, Communis. Okay, this one is a HEX-based referral program. You can go to communis.app, all right, and you can actually mint a free coin if you're a HEX staker. And if you have a HEX stake, you can mint Communis Don't forget to. You can mint some when you start your stake, and then you can mint the rest of it when you end your stake. It's a really cool feature. It goes really deep down the rabbit hole, but we're not going to talk about that. We're talking about the referral program. Look at this Communis app. We click dashboard right here, and we scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, we scroll all the way to the bottom, and what's this? A referral system, meaning that, you can copy this link, and when somebody else clicks on it, whatever free coins they claim, you get 1% of the referee's start bonus or end bonus. So whoever you refer, they get free coins, and you get 1% of those free coins. It's not taking away from the other person, okay? It's not like you're taking 1% of their free coins. No, the other person you referred is getting free coins, and then Communis is also minting an additional 1%, and that goes to you, the referrer. So this introduces a referral system back into HEX staking, which I think is really cool. And look at this referral link, okay? You've got communis.app, $R equals 0x, blah, 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 blah. Again, this is one of those links that's perfect for a redirect, okay? Because it's long and complicated. And yes, you can go post this link, exactly verbatim on a website. But when you're talking to people face to face, guys, word of mouth is the best marketing. Word of mouth is the best way to get somebody to onboard into crypto or onboard to your business even. People identify with other people. People identify with others that they know, like, and trust. And if you build and develop that relationship one-on-one in real life, or, on YouTube and stuff virtually is also possible. But it really helps to have an easy referral link to go ahead and shill, right? So if I copy this, I can do the exact same thing. I can go back to pulsexflex.com and I can just paste over here. And guys, I want to also clarify, you have to only use one redirect per domain. But if you want to switch and overwrite your previous redirect, you can do that over here. So I'm overwriting this previous one that I just did for the course. I'm overwriting it with Communis. We're going to go in here. We're going to click check. But look at that. I got an error right here. Invalid URL address. Why is that? You might experience invalid URL address. It looks like I just forgot to add the HTTPS at the beginning, right? So look at the beginning. Let's type HTTPS:// Guys, every website has to start with an HTTP or HTTPS://. If you don't have this part in here, the destination URL is not going to work out. So I copied and pasted this part, but I forgot to add this part on there, okay? So let's press check, and there we go. Look at that right there. HTTPS://communis.app, $R equals blah, blah, blah. Very complicated URL, very simple redirect. Very simple redirect. Great for making money online. Great for making money within crypto or outside of crypto. If you have a referral link, you can be an affiliate marketer. So it's very, very cool. So again, there's a new HEX-based referral program for that Communis coin that you can mint free coins every time you stake HEX. Or if you're just a nice, good citizen in the HEX community, you can actually redirect the IPFS link, which is long and complicated. You could take that, right? And you could just add your own link over here. Or there's tons of other stuff to make affiliate links for. You've got hexpassiveincome.com, you've got gamepulsechain.com. You've got all kinds of good opportunities out here. And there's an infinite number of possibilities out there. So that is why redirecting a domain name matters. It's one thing to make a redirect, but it's another thing to know why you want to do it. So have a plan and go out there and make your redirect. Making the redirect is very simple, right? Remember, guys, make sure it begins with HTTPS://, right? But make sure once you make your redirect, then you got to go out there and promote it. Otherwise, how is anybody going to know about it if you don't tell anybody and no one can click on it? So if you found this valuable, make sure you like the video, subscribe, share the video, leave a comment. It helps the algorithm, and it helps me, helps you provide value and onboard a bunch of people into crypto. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next video.